This is what I had in mind in terms of the little flower bed here on the end of the yard. You know,
Right.
you need something in front of these grasses to kind of spice it up a little bit on this end of the yard.
Oh, Danny, I think this will be a beautiful corner if you can plant it up real lushly and we can get a good strong edge on this bed.
Okay, well, I have my garden hose out, but I'm not real sure it's nice and straight here. I bet you have a trick for us on that.
This is a great start. This is the way you can start with any kind of bed, but you can actually get a little bit more precise if you start to use tapes and something like this, which is a gutter spike. Now you can use anything that you can find, but what I do is I just simply put it in the middle of my tape and I'll find a center point. And this is not precise. I mean, you might have to move it around a couple times before you find the perfect center for this. But I'm thinking it's going to be maybe 9, maybe 10 feet. Let's see what that looks like. All right, I think we've got it.
Okay.
And I'm going to use my marking paint and we'll get a perfect curve on it.
Okay, I need to take the hose up then.
Now I like to use white paint because the utility companies will probably use some kind of an orange or yellow, and there's no conflict when you just use the white. And the other thing, Danny, is that this paint doesn't hurt the grass.
Well, that's great. I mean, a nice radius, good and clean. I never thought I'd say this, but hey, I'm ready to start digging.